Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to a toilet auger in Auburn, New Hampshire. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that jazz, and we will see you when we get there. Bye. It's all greasy, so I'm wiping it down. This way here I know it's not gonna leave like nastiness all over the thing. Or in my back pocket. This thing strapped to me. It's like I'm scared that I'm gonna like smash it. We're here for the plastic bolts for one of the toilets because the seat's coming off, I guess. One of them broke, and then to auger the other side. I don't know if the lady's here or not. Yeah, the ones that attach the toilet seat to the toilet itself.
Are we supposed to have the bolts?
No, I have them.
Oh.
Okay, she said it was on the other side. I don't know if it's in the bar side or where. I'll find it though.
Okay. Sorry.
No, it's fine. I never understood why when a sign says out of order, people still come in the bathroom and use it. But it's like, the bathroom has a sign on it. Why do you use it? Why would you try? Like, it just doesn't make sense. I'm like...
So I saw this floating around. I don't know if that's...
Yeah, that's the one that I have to replace. I just have to figure out which toilet it came from.
It was on the other side.
Okay.
On the stove,
Okay. This is this.
It's a smelly thing.
Put some of those on the floor. Well, you should have had gloves on and I could have just handed it to you. Don't touch that. Because that's just going to fall right in and clog that back up. Yeah, those, Alright, take this broken one. Alright, let's run this out to the truck. This way. We're gonna have to find the, I'm gonna find either the owner or that lady. But I want to put this out here first and then we'll find the toilet bed. And you can carry the book back in. You carry the book back in. it's Shelly from Drainmatic. Hi, are you here or? Okay, so I got that toilet draining and I have the bolts. I'm gonna fix this other toilet seat here now. I pulled, you know those blue or clear sandy things that you hang on the side of the toilet? It's, I don't know, it was hanging on the inside, on the toilet bowl. It must be. I don't know exactly. It says please recycle. I don't know what it is. It says Sanis by Syntask. Okay, well that, I removed the one from the toilet that I augured just because that's what I pulled out of it. That's what was clogging it. So I removed the one that they had put on there, and I also removed the one that was clogging the toilet. I can send you a picture of them. I have no idea. I talked to the bar lady and that's the only person I talked to. The only guy I've ever dealt with here was the older gentleman. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let him, you. Okay, I'll do that once I get these this nut on there. Okay? Alrighty. No problem. You're welcome. Bye. Alrighty. You're welcome. Bye.
Oh, she had no clue.
No, she didn't. You want to walk around to the other side and pull that out of order sign off that bathroom?
Okay. Do you want me to just here?
Yeah, you can, because I'm just about done. Did you pull it off?
Yeah.
Alright. Throw it away.
Okay guys, so we finished with that one and we are headed off to our next one. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that fun jazz, and we will see you later.